Welcome back to Let's Learn platform. In this video, we are going to learn developmental theories. It is more useful to ktet category 3 aspirants as well as 1 and 2, and mainly we focus developmental theories in this video. It is very useful to HSA exam, set exam, LPUP assistant exam. So you have to watch this video very carefully and understand developmental theories. As we all know, development theories is propagated by there are lots of scientists propagated cognitive development or developmental theories. One of the scientists is Piaget. Piaget is Swiss psychologist. The full name of Piaget is Jean Piaget, who introduced the term genetic epistemologist. Genetic epistemology is one's own experience. Piaget called his theory genetic epistemology. He is most famous known for his theory of cognitive development, father of child psychologist. Theory of cognitive development, other names for cognitive development theory is theory of intellectual development, development theory of knowledge. And his book is very famous, The Language and the Thought of Child, The Psychology of the Child. There are two books for the Piaget, The Language and Thought of the Child and The Psychology of the Child. And let's learn the cognitive development. Piaget stages of cognitive development is the cognitive process begin or the basic fundamental unit of development is schema. It's a cognitive basic building blocks of knowledge, and assimilation refers to the process of adding new to the already learned concept. There are lots of steps included in cognitive process: schema, assimilation, accommodation. Accommodation is refers to the process of revising the learned concept to fit into new information. And next we come across the 5 stages of cognitive development, that is sensory motor stage, preconceptual stage, inductive stage, concrete operational stage, formal operational stage. Sensory motor stage is the first stage, main achievement of stage, and the object permanence is the speciality of sensory motor stage. It is from 0 to 2 years, and reflex actions are speciality, or it is mainly developed in this stage. Pre-operational stage is from 2 to 7, and here there are lots of development occur in the child, that is egocentrism, irreversibility, toy age, transdictic reasonings, connection between unrelated instance, all that happen in the second stage. And the third one is concrete operational stage, that is from 7 to 12. The foremost one is conservation, sum in quantity, even though its appearance changes, understand volume, mass, that will happen in this stage. Transitivity, understand how objects are related one another. Classification, can think logically, put away his books according to the height. See, an ability to sort something that will develop in this concrete operational stage, mainly the age limit from 7 to 12. And next one is formal operational stage, that is mainly potential for more abstract and logic thinking. Next developmental theory is Bruner developmental theory. There are 3 stages are there: inactive stage, iconic stage, and inactive stage is 0 to 1 And the third one is symbolic stage. In symbolic stage, the language development take place. Iconic stage, the information is stored as sensory image. Cognitive process controlled by perception. And iconic stage means it is symbol is more important and image is also important. And next we come across psychosexual development, that Sigmund Freud has formulated 5 stages of psychosexual development. The first one is oral stage. Second one is anal stage. Third one is phallic stage. Fourth one is stage. And the fifth one is genital stage. So the oral stage is from 0 to 2. Mouth is the erogenous zone, and mouth represents the first sex organ for the providing pleasure to the child. Pleasure received from the mother's nipple for the bottle. Next, developmental theory is psychosocial development by Erikson. Erikson postulated that the development of individual is the result of interaction with his social environment. Erikson's theory of psychosocial development is well-known theory of personality in psychology. Ego, identity, the conscious sense of self that we develop through social interaction. Stage 1 is, that is, we come across, there are so many stages are there. First one, trust vs mistrust, and the psychologists and their main form in the first stage is hope. It is from infancy 0 to 1 year. Stage 2 is will, autonomy versus shame and doubt. Stage 3, purpose. Its main is purpose and initiative vs guilt. Stage 4, competence, that is industry vs inferiority. These important stages of Piaget cognitive development: pre-operational stage and operational stage. Pre-operational stage is the club between 2 and 3, and operational stage is 4 and 5. So these are the important stages as far as Piaget cognitive development is concerned. Next, Erikson stages. Stage 5 is sense of self and identity vs role confusion. Stage 6, love. Love is the main thing in stage, and intimacy vs isolation. Stage 7, care, that is generativity vs stagnation. Stage 8 is wisdom, integrity vs despair. So stage 5 is sense of self, identity vs role confusion. Stage 6, love, intimacy vs isolation. Stage 7, care, generativity vs stagnation. Stage 8, wisdom, integrity vs despair. So these stages, it is more important. It is asked as well as asked in match the following, and we have to correct of the thing. Stage 5, sense of self, identity vs role confusion. Stage 6, love, intimacy vs isolation. Stage 7, care, generativity vs stagnation. Stage 8, wisdom, integrity vs despair. So let's learn this all the theory. Thank you for watching. Just repeat, study these theories.